Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is August 8, 2018. We will install GNU GCC and G++ version 8.2 on Windows. We will also install MSYS2, MSYS 64-bit version, and we will also install latest version of Bison and Flex and also global. We will also install Visual Studio Code Editor. Before we install MSYS2, we have to install Visual Studio 2017 first. Please click this link. At this link, you can download Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition. This Community Edition is totally free. You can download and install Visual Studio 2017 first. About how to install Visual Studio 2017, please visit this website. Here, you can watch video about how to install Visual Studio. I will put this file, this description file, to description section below this video. Now we are going to install MSYS 64 on Windows. Click this link, MSYS2.org. Download, click this link. This is for 64-bit version. Depending on your internet connection speed, it will take a few minutes or a few seconds or a few minutes. We will also download Visual Studio Code. You can download codevisualstudio.com. Download the link here. Here, click this link. Visual Studio Code setup will be downloaded. When download is completed, open Show in Folder button. Now we will install MSYS2 first. Please note that I am installing 64-bit version. Double click it. Next. Browse. We should not include any blank space in the folder. In C drive, I created a DevSoft new folder. Then MSYS 64. I create M664 and select this folder. Please note that there should not be any blank character in the path name. Select folder. Next. At this state, please this checkbox selected. Then click Finish. Here, pacman SYU. We are giving this command. Enter. Proceed with the installation. Enter. Please watch that when you have terminate MSYS2 without returning to shell and check for update again. When you see this message, then click this button. Click OK. Then in your installation folder here, we are installing here. Click MGW, MinGW 64. Click this button. Then here, we are trying this command. pacman SU. Enter. Now we are installing GNU GCC. Copy this text. Paste. Please note that pacman s git. Please type in this text. Then enter. Enter. Now we install global. enter, and lastly enter. Okay, at this point G++ version, okay, 8.2, then Bison version 3.0.5, then Flex version 2.6.4. Now we can close it, exit. Now we install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't downloaded it, please download it using this link. Double click it, click next, accept, next, 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 create desktop icon, select all, click next, install. Please select the checkbox Launch Visual Studio Code, click Finish. Then Visual Studio Code will be started like this. Click this button, extension, search for IntelliSense, enter. Once again, C IntelliSense, double click it, install. When installed, we can install more tools later here. Now close it. Now we will make environment settings. Right click, search environment, then edit system environment variable, double click it, environment variable, path, edit, start your file explorer, C MinGW 64 bin, copy this path, U, paste, and once again user bin, copy, paste, then move it up, move up, no, here, then select this, move up here. Now click OK, click OK, OK, OK. Search Visual Studio 2017, right click, open file location, Visual Studio 17, Visual Studio Tool, VC, native tool, right click and copy here. Then we can rename it and G++ 8.2, name like this, double click it, G++ version. Okay, you should have this message, Bison version, Flex version. Okay, now close it. In your working folder, you can make your working folder, select this path and right click it, properties, here starting, you can quote like this. Apply. Okay. Now double click it. Then it starts in this folder. Now copy, right click, drag and put it to your taskbar like this. Also, code editor, right click, drag and drop. You can put it here. Okay. Lastly, we will create a shortcut, drag and drop to your desktop. Create shortcut here. Rename it like this. Then double click it to open. Sometimes we need to have MinGW 64 command prompt like this. Okay, this way we installed MSYS 2 and GNU C++ 8.2 latest version on Windows platform. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.